Okay, so it's a short week, but I got a couple of really important things done, and also I'm gonna give you a little teaser as to what is coming next on this build. So, as always, let's get right into it. So last episode I built out the back half of my exhaust and added the intercooler. Now it's time for the charge pipes. I've never welded aluminum before, but with like an hour of practice, I realize history favors the bold. Now it's time to add the blow-off valve. A blow-off valve is designed to vent excess boost pressure, but only when the throttle plate is closed. It doesn't actually control boost pressure. That job is given to the wastegate. For a beginner, I'm very pleased with my welds, but to punch them up a little bit, I went ahead and polished them with some Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. Sometimes it can seem like it's unnecessary to go the extra step, but it is very much worth it. This is the most complete this car will be for a while, because next on the list, I gotta take the engine out, which means that I also gotta take out all the pretty parts I just put in. So last episode we mounted the front end. Now it needs a little bit of assistance. It is not super stiff and it can definitely use a little bit of help. Some of that help comes in the form of Zeus fasteners. A Zeus fastener is an aircraft style quarter turn fastener to allow quick and easy service. They're meant to be removed quickly and easily with just simple tools. The kit I got came with these stupid style fasteners I do not like, but in the end it will get some self-ejecting fasteners like this. Even with the Zeus added, the nose is still a little bouncy, so I'm going to be adding a piece of 5/8 chromoly that will sleeve over the original tube to add some stiffness. Over the coming episodes, I plan to start building the engine. These are the heads, and they're from an EJ20. They have been pocket ported and chamber matched by Head Games. All of the work done to them is with my target power goal of 550 horsepower in mind. While I was at it, I also got a full Haltech engine management system for my car. I got the Elite 1500 ECU, a Bosch O2 sensor module, and the Holy Grail, the PD16. The 1500 is an ECU with a whole lot of adjustability, but the PD16 is a power distribution module. That means that this one box can replace up to 16 relays, fuses, and hundreds of wires and headache. It will do literally whatever you or the ECU tell it. You can literally have it turn the headlights on when it hits a certain boost pressure. Plus, both ECU and PDM will come with labeled flying lead harnesses. Just makes your life so much easier. But now it's my job to do it right. Okay, so we are finally in the final stretch when it comes to getting this motor to start. I know it may not seem like it, it kind of is. So I've obviously stockpiled plenty of parts, so this motor should go together pretty simply. Then it is on to all the wiring and all that necessary to make it go. And of course I'm gonna sprinkle in a little bit of firewall and a little bit of floor and a couple other little doodads that are necessary. That's gonna be it for this episode. Next episode will not be Porsche. It'll actually be a new vehicle to the ZipTied fleet, as if I didn't have enough already. It's gonna be a very fun episode. I'm excited for it. If I'm excited for it, you should be excited for it too. So with that said, thank you for watching. I will see you next time.